I don't know what those birds are saying, but they're talking pretty loud. They're probably wondering, what is she doing? I wonder that a lot myself. I've been knocked down so many times. I don't know why I've decided to stand back up. But like those birds, I'm not silent. I'm letting the world know I'm here. I've found my voice, and I'm using that pain that was inflicted on me as a fire to burn inside me and light my way so that I can help others so they don't go through that same pain. Living through what a toxic workplace can do to a person has been devastating. And in preparing for my next step in my motivational speaking, I've had to look back at those papers and those documents and the torture that I went through within that company. And it's been very, very painful. And then I start to think, why stand back up? They're just going to try to knock you back down again. But then look, I'm standing. I don't know where I found this courage, but I think they gave it to me. Because somehow I managed to live through that. And believe me, there was times I didn't think I would live through this. The pain was so intense, I didn't want to face another day. I planned ways to not face another day. So I've been there. I've felt so much pain inside me that was inflicted carelessly, needlessly, for others to be entertained, for others to promote themselves, for others to protect their jobs. I was silent, but like those birds, I'm not silent. And if I had their wings, I would be flying. I will find a way to be stronger. Every time they've knocked me down, I've gotten back up. So they've created this person that you see before you. They've given me that empathy to reach out to others and to speak out against this. And for that, I have to be grateful. And I am facing this pain from the past because that's the only way I'm going to get past that pain. It's a process, but I'm getting there.